Hello everyone, welcome to Honey DIY Corner. Today I'm going to make up shoulder tops with shirring. I sewed two tops with some different details, one for me and one for my sister. Mix and match with different outfits, print your new style. I use this fabric. Measure the bust circumference. Double fold the fabrics with right sides together. Draw the armhole curve to make you feel comfortable when you wear. Let's start with the sleeve. Double fold the fabric with right side facing. Remember to prepare two sleeves. Place the body top on the sleeve to draw the curved armhole line. Here we have two sleeves. Please refer to previous video for more detail about how to shirr. Place the strap on the right side of the sleeve and sew. Then do the same for the rest. Place right sides of the fabric together and join the seam line of the sleeve. Let's combat with body top. Join the sleeve with the body with the seam line meet each other with right sides facing and sew the armhole curve. Draw the guidelines around the top to make it easier to shirr. Please refer to the previous video for more detail about how to shirr. Always ironing to have better product, which I finished the first one. And then let's start with the second one. Draw a horizontal line at the elbow point. I have been standing here for many hours waiting for the video finish to show you this up shoulder top.